Hello, my name is Rebecca Day-Gomes, but I like to go by Becky, and I'm actually a little sick right now, which is why my voice sounds like this, but it's all good. I'm from Mesa, Arizona, but I've actually lived in a lot of places throughout my life. Before Arizona, I lived in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and then León, Guanajuato in Mexico, and Utah, and I was actually born in North Carolina. Something interesting about me is that a week ago during break, I actually opened my mission call and I'm going to the Brazil Salvador South mission. I'm so excited. My dad is actually from Brazil, and it's just really cool that I'm going to be able to go there and serve Heavenly Father and teach people more about the gospel and help them come into Christ. I have 5 younger sisters, and I'm the oldest, and it's just so fun, and that's a big thing that I hope to apply what I learned throughout this course. I really want to learn more about how different people in different stages of life think and their development, and through that I'll be able to apply what I learn and be able to understand maybe some of my sisters better and understand what I went through and how I developed as a child to how I am now at age 18. I'm really excited to learn, and um, it's going to be super fun. These are my roommates, and they're all awesome. And the reason I'm here at BYUI is to hopefully get into the nursing program, which is why I'm taking this class. I think it's going to be super interesting to learn more about the development throughout life and the different psychological things that go with that. Because we all develop and we all grow, and I think it's just going to be super interesting to learn more about that. I have loved the school, and hopefully after my mission I can get into the nursing program. I have loved learning and the spiritual environment and all the friends and people I've gotten to meet. It's just been a wonderful experience, and I can't wait to learn more and progress more and be able to learn specifically through this course what it has to offer and learn more about developmental psychology. I am so grateful for this gospel and can't wait to be a missionary. Bye, guys.